We'll guide you through how to use DocuSign for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on DocuSign. If you're yet to go and get DocuSign, we'll go and put our link in the description and the pinned comment. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel. We really appreciate you using it and signing up with it. So DocuSign is a great way of going and getting documents signed. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and use it. So at the moment, we're on the home page. So what you want to do is you want to go and get your account, as we said, and we'll go and get started. So in the header here, you can go and press agreements, and you can go and check agreements you've gone and sent and signed. You can go and create templates. You can go and check out reports, and you can go and visit the admin. So really, if you're just getting started, we're going to be starting on the home. You could go and make a template, and you can actually use the template as well, but we're going to guide you through actually sending it. Templates are useful if you often go and send out the same agreement and contract, for example. So to go and get started with this, you want to go and have your document ready. So what I've got here, if I go and open it up, I've got to open up here. So this is what it looks like, and let's go and get started with this. Let's go and close it for now. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go and press start, and we can then go and hover over envelopes and press send an envelope, or just press that there. Then it's going to go and open up. So what we can do here is go and press upload, and we can then choose where it currently is. So we'll go and press on desktop, and then what we're going to do is go and press desktop to the left, and we can then go and locate it. So let's go and find it. We want to make sure we use the right one, of course, select it and press open. It's then going to go and upload, and there it is. Now what you need to do is go and press add recipients. So now you can go and choose who is going to be receiving this. So you can go and start by choosing what they're going to do. So they can just go and receive a copy, or you want them to be able to go and sign. In this case, we're going to do needs to sign. You've got customize to the right as well, and see that you can go and select the signature type, whether it's electronic or digital, an access code, and if you want a private message as well. So you can go and add them as you require. We can then go and add in their name. So quite often you're going to want to be signing yourself if it's an agreement between yourself and somebody else. So here it's got me already, so I can click that there, and it will then go and add in my name and email. And we want to be signing here. Then we're going to press add recipient, and then you could go and add in someone else, let's say. So let's go and say, I'm going to do just my another email for the example, but you'd add in the person's name you want to go and sign it with. And you can then go and type in their email here. So I'll go and type that in now. And then what you can do is go and choose what they can do here, needs to sign and customize if you want to. And also, I forgot to say at the bottom here, you can go and choose the signature type. So I like just to use a DS, but you can go and use the DocuSign EU QES if you want to as well. Then if there are more, you can go and press add recipient again, and you can go and continue adding more recipients as you need, because there may be multiple people included in the deal. Then you can come and scroll down here, and you can press add message. So you can go and see what the subject's going to go and say. So usually by default, it's going to say this, complete with DocuSign, and then it'll have the name of the doc. So I could go and name this like GuideRealm agreement or contract or what you want. And then you can go and enter in the message, which is going to go and appear in the email. So I could go like, hi both, this is what we discussed. Please sign ASAP. You go and get the idea. That is how it can go and be done. You can then come down here and go and choose a category, just so you can do this if you want. Otherwise, you don't have to. Then what you can do is press next in the bottom right, and the documents are going to go and open up. So what I'm going to do here is just go and zoom it out a bit, as it's pretty big. Over to the left here, we can then go and see the different fields that we've got available. So you can go and choose what you want to go and add. So the default one is probably going to be the signature one. So you can go and click on signature. And then what you can do is go and click where you want it to be. So I want one to be here, for example. And then you can come over to the right and you can choose whose signature you want. So I want to have mine first. So I'm going to go and change this to the right, and the color will then go and change slightly as well. And you want to make sure that this is a required field, of course, as this is the signature. Then what you can do is you can come over to the left again, and you could choose other things. For example, I may want their name as well. So I'll click name and have name just over to the right here. And you can then go and choose who that's for. So that's got I want that to be my name, and I want that to be there. And then you can go and add in date as well. So I'll click that there and go and click that over here. And once again, I want that to be me. And now what we can do is do it again. So I'll press signature over to the left on this line. And this one I want for Rob Tucker, which is the recipient in this case. And then we can go and we'll do the full name again. And you can see this has automatically been selected. And then we can go and do the date sign as well. Perfect. So now what you can do is you can just go over it again, make sure it's definitely right, and of course add the different fields that you may want to. And so once you're happy with it, what you can then do is go and press send in the bottom right here like this. And now it's going to go and be sending, as you can see. We're going to say document sent. And here we are. So now what you can do is go and press on the status here, but to go and view the status as well, you can come to the top and go and press agreements. You're going to see your drafts here, but what you can do is come into envelopes and you can go and click on sent. And you can see here, I'll have to hide these other ones, but you can see the one we just did today, the 14th of April, and you can see the status. So the status is needs to sign, as nobody's gone and signed it right now. So what I'm going to do is just go and show you what it goes and looks like. I just came to my email inbox and this is what the email is going to go and look like. So what we can do is we can go and see the message we added and the subject. We can press review document and it's then going to go and open up. So this is signing it on my behalf here. So we can see we can read this and we can then go and press continue. We can go and allow the location, that's fine with me. And what you can then do is you can go and press sign after you've read it and agreed it, of course. But here you can go and see the name and then the date. We can go and press sign. What you can do is go and click on it and press change if you want. You can go and add one. I already have one here. I'll adopt that one. And then you can go and press finish. And that is then going to go and have signed it, as you can see. So now it's been saved to our DocuSign account. That's fine. If I come and return here and I go and refresh this page, we're going to go and see the status will now be updated and it's now showing who it's waiting for. So you can go and click there and we can see when it's sent and it will then go and change to completed once the other person has gone and signed it. If you're finding that it being a long time, what you can always do is come over to the right here and you can go and press resend and they'll then go and receive another email regarding it. Once they've gone and completed it, you'll go and have it in your completed over to the left here. And once it's been completed, where it goes and says resend, it'll go and change to download and you can then download it and go and have a copy of it on your computer, just for sort of safekeeping in case you need it again in the future. So that's it. That is how you can go and use DocuSign. I think it's a really great website. I use it loads just for agreements and yeah, getting things signed with people all across the world. That's really good because of course, you know, you can't always go and easily send somebody something and you can do it all online with the help of DocuSign. So that is it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you've got any suggestions as well, feel free to put them down below in the comments and I look forward to going and checking them out. We publish videos every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. Have a great day and I look forward to catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.